How to make a drop-down menu in Wix. Hi guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu on your Wix website. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna open up wix.com and you will select the website you want to edit. So in my case, I have selected a test portfolio website. Here, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu. For example, this is the menu that I have right now, but let's say I want to add more pages into my home and I want to create like a drop-down here. For that, we're going to navigate to the menu and pages right here. In order to create a drop-down, all you need to do is you're going to select the pages you want to add in the drop-down and you're going to drag them and drop them under the menu. For example, I have home menu here, so I have dropped my shop page under it. So it will create a drop down for me now. I have created a sub page and it will be shown as a drop down. So it's actually really easy. Again, all you need to do is just drag it a little bit, your page, and drop it under your menu. So you can now see it's a sub page and it will appear as a drop down within your menu. Now you can see my pages vanished from the menu here separately. First they were shown separately, but now they're shown under the one menu. So this is how we create a drop down in Wix. It's really easy. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.